Hello, recrafters! Today, this is the last episode of my teenager daughter's bedroom renovation. We will work on the study desk together. So, if you're ready, grab your scraps, sparkle your imagination, and let's recraft together! The day we moved into our new house, my daughter's room looked like a tiny tornado had rented it for the weekend. Even though it had an ensuite bathroom and a terrace with a stunning view, the room was missing style. Previously on ReCraft, I made handmade frames, upcycled a lampshade and a chandelier, decorated a vanity corner with painted roses, and transformed the room into a Coquette-style teenager dream. But today, we are entering the academic era. I'm planning to create a study corner that's both beautiful and practical for exams, creativity, and everyday studying. First, I ordered a study desk with bookshelves online. I carefully opened the boxes and started building everything myself. And honestly, I think I was more excited about the cardboard boxes and packing fillers than the actual furniture. These furniture sets always come with a manual for dummies, and thankfully, I qualified. If you have basic tools at home, you can totally do this yourself. Just organize a precis, follow the instructions, and trust the process. Well, most of the time. Sometimes things got complicated, but weirdly, I enjoy those moments. Trying to solve little problems keeps my brain alive like a caffeinated squirrel on a mission. Finally, the desk was done. Then came the shelves. And one by one, all the pieces found their places perfectly. Mission accomplished. Time to celebrate with coffee. Next step, wall organization. I asked my husband to drill the wall because I wanted to install a black metal wall grid. This desk will probably stay with her until university. My daughter is incredibly talented in both art and academic issues, which means she owns approximately 47 million pens and pencils. We started organizing them, but the existing containers weren't enough. So, naturally, I went treasure hunting in my recycling cupboard. Here is what I used. 3 tomato paste can, corn can, tuna fish can, hot glue gun, garlic burlap, white paint, water, wide and thin brushes, a piece of sponge, a ceramic plate, numbers stencil, and natural fibers. First, I painted all the cans white with a brush. While they dried, I cut garlic burlap into long strips and painted numbers onto them using a stencil. And yes, I skipped number 3, a real ADHD moment. Then I added a second coat of white paint using a sponge for a softer finish. With hot glue, I attached the numbers onto the cans and wrapped everything with natural fibers. And honestly, they turned out adorable. Now, every pencil has a home and my daughter actually knows where to find things. Another thing she absolutely loves is reading. Her favorite book is Harry Potter. What's yours? Tell me in the comments. Little details, and everything slowly started coming together. Tech devices, desk lamp. Next, I added fairy lights onto the wall grid for a more dramatic atmosphere. As you see, there are some stubborn black stains on the wall which refuse to disappear. So instead of fighting them, I decided to outsmart them. Remember those cardboard feeders from the furniture boxes? Yep, we are recycling again. 8 years ago, I bought this giant notebook from TJ Maxx in America for only $3. Inside, it had beautiful motivational illustrations, and suddenly, inspiration hit. I decided to turn those pages into motivational wall frames. Not only would they hide the stains, but my daughter could also write her future dreams and goals inside them later. I started by cutting the base pieces and building the frame walls. But disaster. The frames looked ridiculously thick, like motivational sandwich boxes. Absolutely not. So I trimmed them down, adjusted the proportions, and finally, yes, now they looked right. Emergency laminate celebration activated. To finish them off, I lightly dabbed white paint onto the edges for a softer rustic look. Since the frames were super light, I attached them to the wall using Patafix. And just like that, an ugly stained wall turned into a cozy inspiration corner.
the result is satisfying. So, if you appreciate my effort, if you do crafts with the scraps that you have, please write in the comments and send me the pictures of your artwork. I would love to hear from you. So, until next time, stay well!